If you've lost access to your Credit Karma account and can't use your email, there are still ways to recover your account. Follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the Credit Karma website. Go to the official Credit Karma website using a web browser. Make sure you're on the correct site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Click on Sign In. Locate the Sign In button on the home page. Click on it to proceed to the login page where you will find options for account recovery. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 4. Choose alternative recovery options. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to regain access to your account. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your Credit Karma account successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Credit Karma's customer support for further assistance.